What's up guys, it's your Slim Tito back again with another mini vlog. For today's video, samahan nyo akong manood ng East Asia Super League between our very own Meralco Bolts and visiting team Ryokyu Golden Kings from Japan B-League. Medyo napaaga nga yung dating ko sa arena dahil namigay tayo ng upgrade seats sa mga fans na nanood ng live sa arena. Namigay tayo ng 5 free seats upgrade to the lower box section and most of the people na nabigyan ni Otits ay first time manood ng East Asia Super League ng live. This game, by the way, is the last game of EASL this season here in the Philippines dahil ang Final Four matchup ay gaganapin sa Macau Studio City Event Center on March 7 to 9. So mga kababayan natin dyan sa Macau, this is your chance to watch some EASL action there. Let's head straight to the player intro for both teams. For Ryokyu Golden Kings, hindi maglalaro ang big man nilang si Jack Cooley dahil magpapahinga daw muna siya. Ang daming mga content creators na nanood, models, ex-PBA players, and even Mike Watkins of NLEX Road Warriors and Sam Deguara of Zamboanga Valientes ay present din sa game na ito.
Okay.
Ryokyu Golden Kings came up with the victory. Sobrang saya ng experience and we're looking forward for the next season already. And I think mas maraming teams ang madadagdag sa liga ng EASL. Sobrang exciting, di ba? Thank you again EASL for this amazing experience. Ayun lang. Thanks for watching this video. Follow for more. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!